Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Blue whispers softly, I'm the sky and sea. Green waves happily, come find the leaves on me. Yellow sings brightly, I glow like sunshine rays. Red laughs loudly, I color happy days. Purple twirls gently, I paint the evening air. Orange giggles brightly, I shine everywhere. Colors all together shout, we make the world so